Why is Filipino food always delicious?
What?
Because they use their cooking skills.
Yes. Why daw Filipino food is, bakit daw ang sarap ng mga luto ng mga
Just
Pinoy?
Q&A.
Yes. Yummy yummy talaga.
Talaga, what does that mean?
Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. And today, magluluto ako ng lugaw. Dahil maulan ngayon, malamig. Kaya, magluluto ako ng medyo may sabaw-sabaw. Saka yun, naisipan kong gumawa ng lugaw. Siyempre, ang ingredients natin is may rice ako dito. Rice, itlog, yung mga yung mga lamas, ang tawag sa lamas sa Tagalog. Basta mga lamas. May ako dito, paminta, may sibuyas, bawang. Tsaka nakalimutan kong bumili ng ginger. Kaya yung powder na lang ang gamitin ko. May ginger powder ako. Sibuyas, dahon. At syempre ang manok. Yan. Meron din akong tanglad. Yan, tanglad. Yung tanim kong tanglad ay yun. Yan. Ayun, maraming tanglad. Yan. Yan ang gagamitin kung kukuha lang ako sa tinanim kong tanglad. So, let's start cooking. Yan, gisahin muna natin ang bawang tsaka sibuyas. Ayan. Saka medyo medyo brown na siya. So, ilagay natin yung manok. Lagyan natin ng manok yung lugaw para masarap. Yung yung tawag ito? Arroz caldo, yun. Lugaw na arroz caldo. Yan. Yan, i-mix. Yan. Siyempre, lagyan ko yan ng paminta, tsaka asin. At wait hanggang maluto ang manok natin. So, habang niluluto ko yung manok, lulutuin ko din yung yung hard-boiled egg natin para ilagay natin mamaya sa toppings ng ating lugaw. Para mas masarap ang lugaw pag may manok na kami tsaka itlog. Okay. So, ayan. Yung dahon lang yung kinuha ko. Ayan. Nilagay ko na yung yung bigas, tsaka nilagyan ko ng maraming tubig. At this time, ilalagay natin yung tanglad. Kami mga Bisaya, mahilig kami sa tanglad kapag may sabaw. Yan, tsaka lulutuin, hintayin ko lang na maluto yung yung rice. Tapos yung boiled egg, na siya, luto na. I-off ko na to. Ayan na, luto na yung luto na. Ready na ang ating lugaw. Ayan. Yang lugaw, special lugaw, arroz caldo na lugaw. Yan. Lalagyan ko yan ng itlog mamaya. Pag nakalagay na sa bowl, lalagyan ko ng toppings na itlog. Yan. Looks yummy. So, ayan na yung lugaw. Yan, with hard-boiled egg toppings. Ayan yung kay Cassie.
Mom, I don't like egg, but I'm just gonna eat it.
It's nice eggs. Good for you. Tsaka meron din kaming dito.
Tastes better with rice.
Isda. Tsaka pritong manok. Ayan yung kay Jackie. Ayan yung lugaw namin. Lugaw na arroz caldo. At ito yung sa akin. Yung asawa ko, wala pa. Malakad siya. Mamaya pa yun siya uuwi. Okay, so, what can you say about the lugaw?
It's very delicious.
Yeah, you always eat lugaw before.
This is better than the one I had before.
The one you had before is the same. Jackie, what can you say about lugaw?
It's good.
It's good. Always good. Mommy's cooking is good. Yeah.
Having the lugaw again is very nice. Mommy, I love the taste. Mommy, your cooking is not good. It's the best.
Yes.
Mommy, I don't like it anymore.
When,
love it.
when was the last time I cooked lugaw?
I think it was last year.
Last year.
No.
The last time I cooked lugaw.
Probably 2022. I'm sure it was somewhere like...
Is it 2 years ago?
yeah, that was 2 years ago, but
Oh, so it's been a long time then.
no, you made Lookout like... I think you made it in December or something, I don't know.
Yeah, I made some lugaw when one of you was ill.
It was me.
It was you,
It
yeah.
was me.
Yeah, so when was that? That's the last time I make lugaw.
I know. So that was on... I feel like that was on last year, 22. That on January 2023, I think.
Okay. Eat your lugaw. Yan, may ano ko dito.
Baby chicken.
Paksiw na ano tawag dito, mackerel. Yung galunggong. Tsaka yung pritong isda. Ito yung ano, leftover to na, isda na ba? Manok, pritong manok. Yung leftover na roast chicken namin kahapon.
Just mommy.
Okay, sorry.
Mommy.
Yes. What?
Chicken. Makes egg.
Yeah, chicken makes egg, yeah.
Mommy, why is this very delicious?
Yeah.
Is it because you use your cooking skills?
Yeah, because that's how Filipino food. It's very delicious. All Filipino food is delicious. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Totally agree. It's better than Japanese food.
Yeah.
Better than
And
pizza and burger.
Yes.
Mommy.
And it's also better than fish and chips.
I need tissue.
And the food we ate in the...
Just coffee. Why? Be quiet. Be alive. Be alive.
Everyone, this is better than McDonald's.
Yeah.
Why is Filipino food always delicious? Because they use their cooking skills.
Yes. Why the Filipino food is, bakit daw ang sarap ng mga luto ng mga Pinoy?
Q&A.
Yes. Yummy, yummy talaga.
Talaga, what does that mean?
I don't know. Basta talaga. O, diba? Yan. Gustong-gusto nila yung lugaw. Lagi ko yan silang nilulutuan ng lugaw, especially pag ano sila may lagnat.
I didn't remember the taste of this because I ate it a long time ago, and it still tastes better. I still
Yeah.
remember this taste though.
Yes.
The only taste I the only taste I remember is
It's nice. Get some your roast chicken last night. I fried it for you. You don't want it?
Just mommy. I
Okay.
don't pee on you.
Okay.
What is that?
So, tikman natin yung lugaw natin. Titikman ko kung masarap ba talaga. Sabi ng mga anak ko masarap daw.
Is TEP.
the cookie ping.
Yeah.
Masarap nga.
Sun pink. Where the?
Masarap.
Hey. Shush. Shush. How do you cookie?
Since I enjoyed this delicious lugaw so much, I ate half of it already. I ate a quarter
Yeah.
of it.
Yeah. Eat it all.
I'm full.
Lugaw is good for you.
Is it very healthy?
Mm.
What is look at me?
Lugaw is a rice soup.
Mummy,
Philia, what's your favorite food?
it's all the Filipino food because it is so delicious. All the Filipino food that Mummy cooks.
Yes. So you like all the Filipino food?
Yup,
Yeah.
that you cook.
Yeah.
Mommy, my egg is falling down.
Why it's falling down your egg?
She dropped it.
Put it in the bin. Pick it up.
Oh no, the egg. No, the poor egg.
And you, Kasi, what's your favorite Filipino food?
Sinigang.
Sinigang. What's your favorite Filipino food? Not just one.
Fine, it's lumpia.
Lumpia. Well, my favorite is lumpia too. And I love sinigang as well. And pansit.
I no. Pancit is actually my favorite one. My top favorite.
No, favorite.
Jackie, what's your favorite Filipino food?
Yum.
Pancit is the best.
Huh?
Yum.
What yamo?
No.
You're the pancit.
Yeah.
The pancit is your favorite?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. It's yummy, pancit, yeah?
Yes.
That's my favorite too, pancit.
My favorite pancit. Oh, pancit.
Pancit with lumpia.
Yeah.
That's my favorite, pancit and lumpia together.
I like pancit and lumpia.
Yes.
I like
Lumpia
pancit
is my
only.
second favourite.
Now that I finished all my foods, except the onions and the spring onion because I don't like it. It was very delicious. Yes, it's very delicious. Yummy, yummy.
You finished, kasi?
Yeah, I ate it all because it was very yummy and I didn't like the onion because it's my least favorite food.
So you leave some little bit of onion in there.
Cut the egg, please.
Okay.
I want the
Say
egg.
nice.
Mommy,
Yeah.
mommy,
Yeah.
mommy.
My
Yeah.
favorite rice.
Mommy, I'm full.
You're full.
No,
You ate all your food?
no.
No. Ah, it's alright. May konti pang natira. Ayan. Are you very full now?
Yeah,
Yeah. Do you like the lugaw?
that.
Yeah. Is it delicious, the lugaw?
Yeah.
Yeah, ayan. Malapit niyang, may konti na lang tira. Marami di siyang nakain.
Cookies.
Nagustuhan nila yung lugaw.
The Halloween cookies.
Hmm? You say?
I said cookie Halloween.
Okay, Halloween.
No, cookie Halloween video.
Okay. And for the dessert, gumawa ako ng ubi strawberry milkshake with a twist of halo-halo. What? O, diba? Ano ko to? Invention ko to. Dito sa sa dulo may siya, grass jelly, white kaong, at saka yung yung shredded coconut buko. At ito yung ubi strawberry milkshake. Ang nilagay ko dito is fresh strawberry, tsaka nilagyan ko ng ubi halaya, yung bottle na ubi halaya. Tsaka yung pinipig sa taas, sa toppings. So, strawberry ubi milkshake with a halo-halo twist. So, tikman natin kung ano bang lasa nito. First time kong gumawa nito na na-invento ko lang kasi meron kasi sa sa ref namin. Sayang naman kung lang. Sayang kung tawag dito. Kung masisira lang. So, kaya ginawa ko na lang milkshake. Tawag dito? Gimix ko lahat.
What does this taste like?
Masarap ang strawberry tsaka ubi halaya milkshake. Masarap siya. Tapos lagyan ng pinipig, kaong, tsaka buko at grass jelly. Masarap. Try nyo. Masarap.
Jam.
Do you like it?
There's jam here.
Like?
It's a
Yeah.
jam over.
Masarap. Try nyo. Masarap. Sobra. Strawberry at ubi halaya.
Christopher.
Masarap pala. Sarap.
Bukaha.
O, ayan. Tapos na kaming kumain. And sa mga nag-subscribe na, maraming salamat. At saka sa hindi pa nag-subscribe, please, subscribe nyo kami. At saka please like na rin yung mga video namin. Maraming salamat. Bye!